Section 2.5, 2.6, Example 5. A team consists of 9 players, 5 male and 4 female. How many different 4-person teams does the coach have to choose from for an all-male competition? In this question, order does not matter, so this is a combination. We have 5 males in total. Of the 5 males, we want to choose 4 males. This gives us 5 factorial over 1 factorial times 4 factorial, which are 5 ways. Part B. How many different 4-person teams does the coach have to choose from with 2 males and 2 females for a mixed competition? So we want 2 males and 2 females. Of the 5 males, we want to choose 2, and so we multiply. Of the 4 females, we want 2 females. 5 choose 2 is 10. 4 choose 2 is 6, giving us a total of 60 ways.